Boy. So Chico, so this is part 2. It's because my other video, my camera died, so this is going to be a part 2. I just want to finish the video right there saying, let's go help Chico. I don't want that to be a thing. So I want to say, so let me throw this to my, Alia, move. Go get it.
We had like a soccer ball.
Princess is getting sad.
Chico loves the
Get the
soccer
tennis ball.
Right, Chico, you love the soccer ball?
Yeah, but the soccer ball is gone because you know what Princess did to it? She popped it. So
She loves the
you want, but now it's Princess's turn, Chico. I know you really like it, but let's see who will get it. Princess, the ball.
Get it!
Aw, Chico, give me the ball. Give me the ball. I know you have it. It's so obvious. See, I see it rolling. Now they're fighting for the tennis ball.
Hey, don't fight it!
I'm not gonna get near the fights.
Oh, he wanted to fight me.
Come on, Princess. Get up, Ma. You're getting tangled.
We got this carpet from PetSmart. PetSmart.
Let me help Princess. Princess, you have a chain on you. Okay, helped her.
We take our dogs to fun places.
Yeah, in my next video, I'm gonna take my dog to the
Dog park.
dog park. The reason I couldn't go for this video because of all of my animals, and because we can't go right now because we're tired, and my mom and dad are tired, and they're sleeping right now. But my mom mostly got tired was for making breakfast. She made us pancakes, bacon, and egg.
Sometimes she makes waffles.
Yeah, but we ran out of waffles, so she had to make pancake batter.
We had blueberry waffles and we're
Hope you enjoy the video.
Chico
So
loves the camera.
now let's just play.
We're gonna show you our house tour, like tomorrow.
We'll show you guys a house tour in my next video. Bye.
But first, you gotta subscribe.